How's it going, guys? Xaikoo here. I know this is a very weird angle, but I had to make a setup because this video is gonna be really exciting and I wanted to capture it from two different angles and not just from one angle, because this video is kind of creating a tradition that I finally have achieved on this channel. This is a device which I have reviewed the earlier version on this channel. It was my second video. A lot of people didn't like it though, but still it was the second video on my channel. And now I am going to review the very next section of that device. And it is an exciting moment for me. It is definitely exciting since I have this device, and it is exciting because I am kind of in a circle in my YouTube channel. So it is a moment for me. So let me feel it. Yes, we have definitely gotten the iPhone 13 Pro Max 1 terabyte. The best Apple has to offer is right here in this box, and today we are gonna unbox it, and probably after a few weeks I'm definitely gonna review it. And this is a moment for me and I can't wait to get started. So without further ado, let's go ahead, unbox this thing and see how it goes. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, a lot of times I do this fast motion thing in my unboxing. Maybe in this time I won't, because I want you all to feel this experience. It is amazing. It is just brilliant. Alrighty. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the first time when I'm unboxing a device which I have seen no review and no unboxing for. This is me doing it all by myself right here. So as you guys can see right here, it is iPhone 13 Pro Max, a graphite color and a 1 terabyte of memory. Just a few years ago, when I first heard of terabytes, it used to be like, wow, we can have that much memory with us on a laptop, on a hard disk, and now my phone has that memory. It is funny because my laptop still has only 1 terabyte of memory, but my phone from what it was like 64 GB a few years ago now to 1 terabyte. That's an impressive jump. All right, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, which are very few people till now, but still if you are, you know I love this part. Taking these things out is like an inauguration of your new phone, of your new device. And Apple device always, for me at least, is a celebration. So this right here is an event. Here we go. What can I say? As I have always said, it's a feeling of its own. Now, they might say it has like all such tough glass and everything, and people might throw their phone from top of their house and everything. I'm broke, so I have to use safety measures because I do not have any protective gear for this right now. So, I'm not taking any chances. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at this. Nothing much has to be said. It's like simple. It's like your phone. There is like a mute, a volume up, a volume down, and a power key. And there is a charging port. That's about it. This is simplicity at its best. Your normal power cable with it. Still no USB-C. You know what? Today is the day to enjoy. I'm not complaining. Screw this. And the user manual and everything. Do I even have to show it? It's like the normal thing they have had for like 50 years now. So I won't really care. Screw it. We're in here for this. You guys know that in Apple's headquarters there is a department which only focuses on making sure that when someone is unboxing their devices, they feel good. And I respect that. I appreciate that. Hello to you too. Love this new feature it has where you can like just use your other phone to connect with this phone. I had a bit of a difficulty in order to do my Face ID. Maybe it's, using this weird devices in my head and everything devices. All right, after this, I definitely have to go to the nearby Apple store and put a protective case and everything on this thing because these things, you don't want to mess with it, at least for the first 20 years or something. Alright guys, so I've already went in and gotten this thing screen protected and put a case behind it. I didn't get the Apple case and there's a reason for it. First of all, I already have an Apple case. The 12 Pro Max I'm recording from is using that very protector. But this time I wanted to try something new and this for some reason stuck to me because A, it's transparent. I always love when you can have transparent screen covers. You can already see I have a thing for transparent screen cover everywhere. The reason is you're buying a phone which has that color and then you're putting a weird case of some different color on it. That makes no sense to me. So transparent, A. And second, look at this camera right here. Do you see that square thing it's going on all around it? I love it for some reason. This is super interesting, super new. Now, this is what I'm gonna do right now. As I always do, I'm gonna take some time with this phone. I'm gonna work on it and I'm gonna see how this phone basically performs in everyday life. It's only been like an hour since I've had it and I've only dropped it like twice accidentally. So that does not count. Like, come on, you drop your phone like 70 times and then you review it, at least 70, that's a given. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, work on those things, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see how this phone actually works on every day-to-day life, and we'll go on from there. I must say the one feature which I'm most excited for in this phone is the cinematic mode, the mode in which you can change the focus from something in the back to something in the front. I didn't know that thing did not exist in the older iPhone, and B, I love things like that when phones put those features where you can have a whole damn camera, a professional camera in your phone along with the other features. Cameras are definitely one of the things which iPhone focuses on a lot, although it does not usually have the best camera, the best pixels and everything out there, but I don't know, it always looks good on the video and when I'm editing things, and works perfectly throughout the medium. So definitely checking out that, waiting for that. I'm still trying to figure out the difference between this phone and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because if I would have gotten the iPhone 13 Pro or just 13, the cameras in that are diagonal and you can see that difference. But over here, I don't know why it's still the same as it is in the older iPhone that is new. I don't know why, but it is what it is, I guess. Oh God, come on, I have to give you my MAC address. Anyways guys, so that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna take some time, work on this thing, and I will review it once it's done, once I'm working on it for a while and I have pretty much gotten the idea of what this phone is and does it put up to what we are expecting this phone to put. So keep an eye on the next video. Definitely gonna be a video on that and we'll go on from there. So see you guys in the next week. Bye, take care.